This machine gamifies paddle or tennis, depending on which sport you want to play. But this is a paddle channel, gosh darn it, so I'll focus mainly on that. The mechanics work the same though, a launcher, net and a smart app that helps you practice or play games to keep score. So let's take a closer look. It comes in a surprisingly small box, packaged really well. You get everything you need, tripod for your phone, a bit cheap but it'll do. Even a screwdriver to adjust the launcher just a bit if you need to. The ball machine, which looks sturdy enough, and then the special balls with dots on them. I think to track your shots. Then the targets. All the poles, which are sturdy and made of thick metal, the net, which seems quite large, and then a couple of those tent pole sticks with the elastic string inside, which I remember all too well from our camping days. Everything seems numbered, so this should be easy enough. The frame has those handy pins, so they slide right into place. The rest is just piecing it together and clicking it in. Getting the net in the right orientation is a bit of a hassle, but once you have that, the poles slide neatly in the fabric, and with just a little bit of force you can do the other side as well. The ball sock fits neatly over the launcher, so that looks like a pretty cool system to never run out of balls. I can't wait to try this. Then finally the special marked balls and the targets to have something to aim for. This should be good. And the cool thing is, you can set it up anywhere. Living room, here I have it in the attic, you can do the backyard, or for clubs wanting to have a little practice corner. I especially think this would do great at fairs to promote your tennis or paddle club amongst the locals. You just set it up and you're ready to go. You do need a solid background though for the app, which we'll get into now. You get two apps. The first is the practice tool. Once you click go, you get 10 balls to hit and the app will analyze your shots, which is very nice. Because the balls are orange with dots, it can see how fast they're going, if they would be in, and this is my favorite, how much spin you give, which is an awesome stat for paddle. I've been practicing my vigorous for a couple of days now, and I can see the spin measured in RPM going up in my shots. The ball launcher isn't that great, so you get some pretty high and soft volleys, but a perfect height to really attack the shot if you want. Then you also get fitness, which is basically how long you want to play, so I haven't used that. But challenges is also great. You can set which side of the court you're on and what shot you want to practice. Then you can practice and get better and better at that shot. My son liked the FTT Play app a bit better. That introduces a game element to play and it's actually a lot of fun. You can set your skill level and then choose solo, group or tournament. Especially tournament is a fun one at our house since all three of us like to play. You have different games, love 15, you only have to hit the center. It's tough enough as it is, but I certainly gave it a go. With love 30 you have to alternate left and right. Tiebreak ups the ante and lets you hit the targets in a specific pattern. And then you can randomize the whole experience so you won't know what hit you. This is especially useful in tournament mode when you play multiple games. So the bads are the launcher isn't good and it launches everything the same way every time. So you can't get a nice rally going. But it does let you practice the same shot over and over because of the continuous feeding system. The other thing I didn't like is you need a solid background because the app can't register the net everywhere. It even has trouble with my brown fence in the yard, so that's quite a disappointment. But with the right angle you can get it to work, and in front of a solid white wall it works really well. My favorite is the Fast Track practice app with the court analysis. It's really helped me change my spin a bit more to get the ball to really die down off the back wall. So all in all, no matter where you put it, I think it's a great exercise and a great way to progress your paddle skills or, well, have some fun with the family. It's become a staple in my backyard and it looks like it's going to stick around a while. I hope this video has helped you with what's possible on the gear side of paddle. Check out this video to see me practice my volley on a rebound and net. That was an awesome experience as well and it really helped me be more consistent at the net.